style sheet, which I'll show you how to do, all you do is go into a text editor and like Text Wrangler or any editor that comes with your computer.
Notepad?
Notepad is fine.
Okay.
So, there we go. So, at the top of this blank text file, you'll paste in this code that I've featured for you here. And, of course, you'll put in your own information there, your child theme name. Make sure the child theme name is consistent all across the board as far as capitalization and spelling and everything. That's the thing about code. You have to make sure everything's spelled correctly. And what it does is, as you can see here, is that it calls to the style sheet from the parent theme, which in this case is 2010. So this is all you have to put in the header, and this is all you have to write underneath that to get the styles from the parent theme, and go back into your WordPress admin and go down to Appearance Themes, and your theme will appear here. These are the other themes that are here. And the one that I created is already activated. So you'll find the theme that you just made and click Activate. And it's as simple as that, really. And I know I'm going pretty quickly over this, and that's why I wanted to type this out so you guys can go over it yourselves.
Any questions so far? Are people following?
Yeah,
okay.
absolutely.
Great, great. She's a great presenter.
One more.
One more?
Oh, one more handout. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, we forgot about you. There you go. Thanks a lot.
So this particular theme folder was parallel to the
Right.
parent folder, not
Exactly. Not inside it. It, as you can see, if you understand code, it's telling it to go out of that folder and into the 2010 folder and grab the style.css from that folder.
Well, let me ask you, underneath the theme folder under content, I see more than one style.css file. I mean, granted, it's style-rtl and style, editor-style. So the one you're looking to edit is just plain style dash.
Well, you are
style.css.
creating your own style.css. The other style sheets that you're seeing is style sheets that theme uses, and that the main style.css will call to those other style sheets within it.
Gotcha.
But all you're doing with your style sheet is either overriding or adding to the existing styles in the parent theme.
Okay.
So this is a completely separate file.
Okay.
So styles.css basically. That's the one you want to.
Style.css, yeah.
You want to.
And if you're making modifications, say based on the 2010 theme, if you just make all the changes to style.css, then the other ones will follow when you make your own copy, your own child. Or do you need to alter each one?
No, you don't need to alter each one.
Or make copies of each one?
No.
Okay.
Make sure you have the theme. Make sure you have the theme. Like when you go to Appearance and Themes, and you can install themes. You can install themes and then activate it. You have to make sure you install the parent theme as well as the child theme.
Okay.
The parent theme they're separate from each other. So
Okay, so what I'm
that's
seeing is a parent and the children with the different names surrounding it.
Can I jump in?
Yeah, go ahead.
So you were with her to the point you're in Notepad, it's empty,
Yeah.
and then you add this line of code, this section of code, and the last line in that section of code points to the parent theme style CSS. So as we move forward and make changes to our website, to our new theme,
Right.
We're
we'll
only
be
editing
adding things
this
to
new
this
one.
particular style sheet.
Okay.
And leaving the other one alone completely. You don't want to touch it. You don't want to mess with it.
Okay.
You follow? You got that?
Yeah.
All right.
I hope so. Okay. So now that we have our child theme installed, we can edit the CSS under Appearance Editor, and here's the CSS style sheet. And as you can see at the top here, I have that code that calls to the parent theme. And all of these styles are styles that I wrote myself that override or add to the parent's styles. And the way that I went about this is using